Morning children, welcome back to our biology classes. So students, in last session we have completed the adaptations of root hairs for the absorption of water and dissolved mineral. Now today we will study about the methods of absorption. How the root hairs absorb water and dissolved minerals, and there are two processes, diffusion and active transport. So first of all we will study about the diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of molecules from their higher concentration to the lower concentrations. This diffusion you can understand by taking an example. When you put a bottle, spray bottle, and keeping at one corner, you just spray it once. After few seconds you will find that whole room will be filled with that smell or that fragrance. It means that when you have sprayed the bottle, at one corner the concentration of molecules of the spray was maximum at that place, and in other places of the room it was less. But by the process of diffusion, that is movement of molecules from higher concentration to the lower concentration, the molecules move, and a time will come that the concentration of the molecules of the spray will become same and equal in all the whole room. So this is the process of the diffusion. This you can also understand by taking an example of putting a sugar cube in a beaker filled with the water. I just keep it for some time. After some time, what you will find that whole sugar will be diffused in it, and after few minutes you will find that there will be sugar solution will found. When you will sip this, you will find that this water earlier is becoming a sugar solution. Okay, so this is the process of diffusion. By this process the root hairs absorb water. Second is osmosis. It is also as same as diffusion, but diffusion in osmosis process, one requirement is there: semi-permeable membrane is required. So osmosis, you can understand, when two solutions differing in their concentration, like one solution dense or concentrated solution, another solution is dilute solution. These two solutions are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. So in osmosis process, the movement of solvent molecules takes place from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. So in this figure 1.5 you can see this is a semi-permeable membrane, and here also sugar solution, and here only water. So in sugar solution, what is the water? Water is solvent, and here water is also solvent. So in osmosis process, the solvent molecules, that is, if some bigger sugar molecules are also here, but in sugar is solute, so solute don't move. Only solvent molecules move from their higher concentration to the lower concentration. So a time will come that the water concentration will become same in both these sides. So this is the process of osmosis. The main difference between osmosis and diffusion is that in diffusion there is no any requirement of any semi-permeable membrane, but in osmosis the most important requirement is the presence of semi-permeable membrane. So these are the two processes by which root hairs absorb water and dissolve minerals. The process of osmosis you can understand by taking this activity, demonstration of osmosis using potato osmoscope. It is little bit difficult. The best way to understand the process of osmosis is to take few resins, you can say it is a kishmish, and put it in distilled water or just normal water. After few minutes you will find that the resins will become swell up.